Hello everyone. As much as we like our school life, nothing can be more fun and exciting than our vacation time. Isn't that true? Holidays are something that most of us look forward to. But most importantly, when our holidays arrive, we don't know what to do. And by the end of it, we regret not doing much and wasting our precious holiday period. Friends, to tackle this guilt, watch this video till the end and get to know some of the most productive things that you can do during your vacation. Number 1. Redo your room. You can take some time to redo your room. By redo, we mean that you can maybe change some settings of your room or even tidy up some of the things that have just been lying around your study table. Or how about coloring some papers or consider drawing some of our favorite characters and sticking them up in your room to make it look more creative. This will help you in understanding the importance of being productive and also utilizing your energy and efforts into something beautiful. Number 2. Make reading your hobby. I'm sure you also get nervous in class when the teacher is randomly picking up students to read a small paragraph. Well, to avoid that nervousness, make a goal to read at least 1 or 2 pages during your holidays. By doing this, you will help yourself in being more confident in training. At the same time, this will also help your speech when you talk to different people. And trust me, this is definitely not a task since you will be doing this on your own. More like preparing for the big show and ultimately reminding all that nervousness. Number 3. Go and meet your old friends. I'm sure your friends would be tired of listening to your I am busy today or I don't have time. Well, holidays are the time where you can make it up to all those friends whom you have not met for a long time. Take some time to visit them, greet them, and make the most of your time in building a great friendship bond with them. This will give you a sense of satisfaction and also will help you to be more happy as you don't have to live with the guilt of I wish I could met them later. Number 4. Watch some inspiring videos. I'm sure as students we all need something that can inspire or motivate us throughout. Hence, to keep yourself charged up throughout the entire semester, this is your time to look for some inspiring videos that can help you to stay motivated. And this will also give you a sense of confidence once you get back to school. Number 5. Stay fit. I'm sure you maybe agree with me on this, that you will not have this holiday time again. So what are you waiting for? Stop lying around and getting up late and rather make efforts in staying active. Try and invest your time in some physical activity or even try a new sport. It could be anything, but try and make the most of this time in building your immunity since this is the only time in your life where you have more time and also more energy. Cultivate the habit of staying fit and you can see its results in an amazing way later. So friends, these are some of the things that you can do to make your holidays a little better and productive. Also talking about making new friends, if you really want to know about how to do that, then do watch this video. Until then, goodbye.